Welcome to Research Rocks. If you have Tesla car, so might be this tips and tricks very helpful for you because of sometimes we are driving in Tesla car and specific road or highway limit is like a 60 kilometer, 80 kilometer or 110 kilometer. If we drive greater than that, so sometimes we are receiving the fine. But if you use these tips and tricks, so you can avoid the fine as well. Tesla have one feature. So using these features, you can speed alert warning you are receiving in your car providing you warning sign. Okay, your car is going on 60 kilometer above because of highway or specific road limit is a 60 kilometer per hour, and if your car going like a 65 to 70, so alert is automatically showing. So how to enable this alert? Let's check it out inside the car. We can start here. So simply press here the tiny car. Afterward, you need to enter here the self driving. Here multiple option is showing. One of the option is here speed limit warning. So here three option: display and charm and off. Might be your car showing here off, so you should enable here charm, and then speed limit, relative and absolute. So absolute limit is like 80 kilometer, or relative speed limit is which highway or which road providing you specific limit like 60 kilometer, 70, 80 kilometer or 110 accordingly. So I just simply say here this is the 100%. If your car is going like a 61 kilometer, so warning is coming like this. The highest speed limit of this road is 60 kilometer per hour, but if I race, so here security alert is showing. But if you can decide here like okay, 60 kilometer is limit of this particular highway, but I just simply said here 65 kilometer. If my car is going above 65, so we are receiving such warning. Using this process, you can very easily avoid speed fines in highway, no matter inside the city or highway. So definitely I should reduce my speed in less than 60 or follow the rules and avoid speed fine. It's very easy if you have Tesla car. So using this process, you can avoid speed fine in your Tesla car. So this is the one of the amazing features introducing by Tesla car. So you should definitely use these features and avoid speed fine. If you have any question related on the Tesla car, you should ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.